Can you guess the four-letter word in 10 seconds? Let's begin. Guess the word. The answer is save. Save. The answer is play. Play. The answer is boss. Boss. The answer is coin. Coin. The answer is load. Load. The answer is jump. Jump. The answer is mode. Mode. The answer is race. Race. The answer is game. Game. The answer is beat. Beat. Let's review these words. Save. Play. Boss. Coin. Load. Jump. Mode. Race. Game. Beat. How many did you guess correct out of 10? Thanks for watching and subscribe to ESL Class Games for more games like this one.